I've been trying to film this video since last week, and I'm finally filming this video right now. So I hope you guys really enjoy this. By the way, I am Credence, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, then you know how it goes down. Anyways, I plan to experiment more with my style this year and like really get into the fashion bag, because I know I can dress. My Pinterest fashion board can back me up. So if you are interested in fashion content, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. Both of those are going to be linked in the description box down below. Also, you guys are going to definitely be seeing a lot more fashion content on my YouTube channel. So if you guys are interested, don't forget to subscribe. But let's actually get into it. I plan to experiment more and find my groove in fashion this year. So if you are trying to do the same thing, which you probably are, that's why you clicked on this video, then keep watching, because I got some real good tips that I have collected from watching a couple videos, and I just made this one quick, nice, easy video you can watch and collect the information. So if you want to like take notes, get you a notebook, get you whatever you need, and let's get right into the video. Start off by looking at what is already in your closet, because most of the things that are in your closet did not just land in there by mistake. You picked those out. You handpicked those and put them into your closet, or you just bought them for whatever reason. But you got so many really cute different outfits, different pieces in your closet. Look at them, try to figure out what you like, try to figure out what you don't like, and to go from there. Start from looking at what you got in your closet. Try to see what theme you were going for. Were you going for the 90s baggy fashion? Were you going for Y2K fashion? Were you going for coquette fashion? What were you going for? Is it coquette or coquette? I don't know how to pronounce it. What is your closet giving? Try to figure that out, and from there I want you to find inspiration. The best place to go and look for fashion inspo is Pinterest. Go to Pinterest, make a fashion board, add different fashion pieces that you find pretty. Also, just a quick tip for everybody who has a Pinterest board already. What I encourage you to do when you're looking for fashion inspiration on Pinterest is to look at the pieces they have on. So for example, if you're looking at what I got on right now and you're like, she's eating the girls up for show, I would like to dress like that. Then what you should be looking at is the pieces. Like, what do I like about her outfit? Do I like the hat? Do I like the top? Is it the hairstyle? Could it be the makeup? Try to figure out what you like about the outfit and then incorporate that into your fashion. Don't look at somebody's whole entire outfit and just copy that and paste it onto your own body, because it's not gonna look the same. That's not true for everything. Like, if you're completely new to fashion, then you can copy and paste the outfit, but then like once you get really comfortable with that, start coming up with your own things. Start like changing it up, switching it up, doing your own thing, adding a little bit of spice,
Add a little bit of spice,
and it's gonna look real good. I'm telling you right now. Start off, tip number 1, start off by looking at what you got in your closet and try to figure that out. Tip number 2, find inspiration. Okay, and don't focus on the whole outfit, focus on pieces, parts. Maybe it's the accessories. Tip number 3, find basic pieces. Most outfits are made out of basic pieces and staple pieces. Basic pieces are meant to be worn over and over again because they are not the center of your outfit. Most outfits start off with basic pieces because basic pieces are the base of your outfit, and then you build up from there. You could literally style a whole outfit from just basic pieces and then add accessories. So think of basic pieces like a Christmas tree with no ornaments on it, and then once you add the ornaments and the ribbons, whatever you want to add to it, it just looks so much better, because a Christmas tree with no ornaments is not ugly, but it could definitely get better from there. You get what I'm saying? So think of basic pieces as a Christmas tree with nothing on it. Basic pieces are gonna look different depending on your aesthetic. So if your aesthetic is like the 90s baggy hip-hop look, your basic pieces would be baggy jeans, a white oversized tee, things of that nature. Maybe like a hoodie, like just a hoodie with nothing on it. But like basic pieces for like Y2K would be maybe like a fitted baby tee, white top, denim skirt, flared denim pants, something like that. So basic pieces look different depending on your aesthetic. So figure out what your aesthetic is first, and then look for basic pieces in that aesthetic depending on what you like, okay? And then get you some basic pieces. You might already have them in your closet. Also, a quick tip: if you need to buy new clothes for your aesthetic, what I recommend to do, and first check if it's in your closet. If it's not in your closet, check if it's in your sister's closet, because you could always just steal your sister's clothes.
She's got a point. She's an icon. She's a legend, and she is the moment. Now, come on now.
And if it's not in your sister's closet, just go to the thrift store. The thrift store is the best place to buy clothes, because not only is it one of a kind and extraordinary and only made for you, it is also affordable. So you're saving money and you're looking better, okay? So I highly recommend going to the thrift store and trying to find new clothes there. Now, the fourth step to finding your style, finding your fashion sense, is staple pieces. Staple pieces are a versatile classic piece in your closet that doesn't go out of style. You can wear this over and over again. And staple pieces usually work with a variety of different clothes, so they always look good and they last for a really long time. So when you're looking for staple pieces, be really attentive of what you add to your closet. Okay, so do you remember the example I just gave you guys about the Christmas tree with no ornaments? So when you have a Christmas tree that has no ornaments on it, it does not look bad. Of course, it's okay. But now the staple pieces like the star of the show. You know, basic pieces, you can wear them alone, but like you would really need to add a little bit of something to it. While staple pieces, you could wear them alone and they would be giving still. So when you're choosing staple pieces, just make sure you're choosing properly, okay? Accessories also really elevate your outfits, going from crusty, dusty, musty to looking like the baddest woman on planet Earth. If you guys have made it this far, then you guys are close to the end of the video. And I hope these tips help you elevate your fashion sense, which I am planning to do this year. So if you guys are interested in fashion content, follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, and on YouTube. Of course, subscribe to my channel, and I will be posting a lot of different content. I already have posted a couple of videos on YouTube, so go watch those and rewatch this if you need to. Watch it as many times as you need to. Like I always say, I hope this video helps at least one person out there. Thank you so much for watching my video to the end. Like this video, comment down below, and I would truly appreciate it if y'all went and showed some love to my TikTok and Instagram account. Link to both of those is going to be in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.